So, you've been thinking a lot about how our connection with nature affects our well being, right? Specifically, how something as simple as our hair could play a crucial role.
Yeah, it's fascinating, isn't it? Hair is not just about appearance. It's almost like an antenna, receiving energy from the universe, helping us stay connected with the natural world. You can almost feel it when your hair is messy and out of place. It's like the energy doesn't flow properly.
That's an interesting perspective. So, are you saying that taking care of our hair can help maintain balance and mental clarity?
Exactly. When our hair is neatly tied or well kept, it allows us to absorb positive energy. It's like when you wake up in the morning, the first thing you do is comb your hair, right? That's a ritual, aligning yourself with the flow of energy for the day.
It makes sense. And if you think about it, many spiritual leaders or people who follow strict disciplines often keep their hair in a specific way. It's almost like a form of communication with the universe.
Yes, and that's why, when people's minds are unsettled, their energy gets chaotic too. It's not just about appearance, it's about how your inner state reflects on the outside. If you're in disarray mentally, it shows up in your hair and how you carry yourself.
It's fascinating how something as subtle as hair can be linked to such profound energies. But does this mean we're not paying enough attention to our connection with nature these days?
Unfortunately, yes. People are too caught up in the hustle of money, success, and outward achievements. They're disconnected from their inner energy and the flow of nature. They no longer take the time to listen to what their body or surroundings are telling them.
And that's when the world starts to feel chaotic, right? Like everything is out of sync and people are struggling to find meaning in their lives.
Exactly. We're living in an extraordinary time, though. We're at a turning point. The evolution of humanity has reached a crucial stage. It's like we've crossed into a new era where everything is about balance, understanding, and connection. But if we don't grasp it now, we might miss out on what could be a defining moment in history.
That's quite profound. So you believe we are on the edge of a new era, an era where human beings will evolve to communicate with nature in a more meaningful way.
Yes, the world is changing rapidly, and those who can adapt, who understand the true balance between themselves and the natural world, will be the leaders of tomorrow. It's not just about technology or progress, it's about reconnecting with the essence of life and the universe around us.
And that starts with us, right? With the choices we make in how we live, how we treat ourselves and the world.
Absolutely. We have the power to shift the energy. If we start paying attention to the small things, like how we take care of ourselves, our minds, our environment, everything can change. But it all starts with awareness.
So, in a way, we're all responsible for setting the foundation for future generations. The decisions we make today will shape the world they inherit.
Precisely. We're the last generation of this old way of living, but we're also the first to bring about true change. The key is to understand the balance, the energy that flows through everything. Only then can we move forward with purpose.
That's something to think about. It really puts everything into perspective. It's not just about surviving anymore, it's about thriving in harmony with the world around us.
Exactly. It's a challenging time, but also a wonderful opportunity. If we can learn to live with greater consciousness, we'll see the world transform in ways we never thought possible.
And who knows, maybe the future will be a time when everyone understands the connection between the mind, body, and nature. A true evolution, not just technologically, but spiritually.
That's the hope, and we're at the beginning of it. Let's make sure we're doing our part to open up this new chapter in human history.